One of the best places to see gorgeous food photos is on our Instagram page, as well as following the Replica Surfaces hashtag for a random flurry of photos mixed into your home feed that were taken on Replica Surfaces. We're writing another love letter to you in the form of this video, featuring photos taken and shared by a few of our Instagram friends, and we're going to be showing you a few simple tips that will make your food photography life an actual piece of cake. Hey guys, Tani of Replica Surfaces here. I cannot begin to tell you how much I love scrolling through the tagged photos of Replica Surfaces on Instagram because there are so many gorgeous creations. It's truly a happy place to scroll if you ever need it. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down some of the photos that you guys have taken and tagged us in, along with some useful tips for creating stunning food photography. Don't worry, we got permission to share each of these with you, and I'll be sure to link the handles of all the wonderful people who contributed to the gorgeous food photography we're about to explore, because the photos in this video are just the tip of the creative iceberg. Enough of the introductions, let's get started with the best course of all, dessert. The first photo I want to show you is this single slice of carrot cake from Anna of Espresso My Kitchen. What I love the most about this photo is that not only can you see the delicious crumb texture of the cake, the actual slice is elevated by not only one plate, but two plates. And the addition of the pages below adds such a lovely textural touch. Not to mention the subtle texture of the cement and plaster paired together with the white accent props. And finally, top everything off with those pages to complement the silky smooth frosting and allow the rich orange tones of the carrot cake to take the center stage in this photo. Of course, we can't forget to add that touch of greenery that helps guide the eye directly to the star of this photo. Now let's switch gears a little bit with another cake, but with an extra layer, the flavor switch to ginger, and we're looking at things from an entirely different angle. What I absolutely love about this photo from Kindra of The Rose Wife Bakes is that there are absolutely no plates being used, despite the fact that there are so many pieces of cake floating around. I love how the whole look of this shot is enhanced by ditching the plates and including the use of some pieces of crumpled parchment paper as the plates, with the concrete replica surface peeking in, of course. The parchment adds an entire layer of textural goodness below these gorgeous slices of cake. And I'm absolutely here for the stolen bite from the slice in the top corner with the fork peeking in. I will be needing a ginger cake in my life immediately. Let's switch gears again and let's talk cocoa. But before we do that, let's take a quick moment to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any of the other videos we make for you guys. All right, back to the cocoa. This next photo comes from Chrissy of the Hungry Kitchen blog, and the simplicity of this photo is what initially caught my attention. The first attention grabber was the color story that is being told between the rich, warm tone of the cocoa complemented by a richer and deeper cocoa powder sprinkled on top of the beverage. Then we have the softer, more neutral taupe tones from the sleeves of their shirt and linen to round out the bright white tones of the three marshmallows on top and the white marble surface. I'm also loving the touch of humanity with the addition of the hands holding the beverage. I'm with you on year-round cocoa, Chrissy. I will drink hot cocoa on just about any occasion. Time for the main course, especially on Taco Tuesday. Check out this awesome dark and moody taco photo from Amber of Savor the Shot. There are two things that I really love about this photo. The first is the diagonal composition of this photo from above. I just love the way the eye glides across the scene from the limes to the drink in the corner so easily. My eyes were initially drawn in from the limes, which may be a little weird, but I really love the texture of citrus in all forms, particularly in this photo. The way they are catching the light and the shadows is really appealing to me. I also get sucked in from here to the hand because I'm imagining that hand is actually my hand reaching for those delicious tacos, and then I am drawn in from the spoon to the mysterious beverage in the corner. From there, the ramekin of salt and the sprinkling leads me back to the tacos for obvious reasons. So it's a bit of a wandering diagonal, but with a scene this good, it's easy to get lost. Next up is this pastel dream in the form of these light and fluffy meringue cookies from Kim of In Nessie Cakes. I am absolutely loving the light and airy vibe and the depth of this entire image. She kept the cookies in the teacup perfectly in focus, while the flowers in the background and the foreground remain beautifully blurred. I love this repurposing of the teacup as a serving vessel for the cookies instead of a traditional serving tray or a plate too. Rounding things off is this perfectly packaged stack of cookies from Callan of the Cozy Plum. I love the way she made the main stack of cookies feel like a little gift by tying a piece of twine around it like you see here. This unexpected detail costs pennies to create, and you can drape little extra bits of twine around your scene too. What else makes this photo so appealing? How filled the frame feels. I love how the added props to the foreground and the background create visual interest without much added styling effort. Make sure your own styling arsenal contains a simple white cloth napkin or any other white fabric, a roll of parchment paper for crinkling or not crinkling, and a small serving platter, or in this case, a small basket for a headed to the picnic in the park type of vibe. I also love the touches of the pink and the flowers in the background and the linen to complement the pink bits in the cookies and to soften this gorgeous light and bright scene. And that's the way the cookie crumbles, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to follow the lovely people who helped us create this video because they deserve the love, and we'll be sure to continue creating gorgeous food to help fill your feed and make you hungry. We really love hearing from you guys, so leave a comment below this video and let us know what you want to see us cover in future videos. Also, be sure to join us over in the VIP group to join an awesome creative community with lots of chances to win free surfaces. Yeah, I said free surfaces. I'll let you get over there and I'll see you next week.